A serving of soup is 1 3/4 cups. A restaurant cook makes 31.5 cups of soup. How many people does she expect to serve with that amount? When you encounter an exercise like this, I want you to focus on the concept. If you ever find an exercise like this and you feel like it is too confusing because it has fractions or mixed numbers in it, I want you to replace those numbers with regular numbers. Now that we have whole numbers, this exercise is a lot easier and a lot less intimidating. A serving of soup is 2 cups. A restaurant cook makes 50 cups of soup. How many people does she expect to serve with that amount? You probably already know that it's 25 people. Why? Because all you did in your head was to divide 50 cups by 2 because there are 2 cups per serving. Now all we have to do is follow the exact same steps but with the original numbers. Now all we have to do is divide 31.5 divided by 1 3/4. So we change them into an improper fraction, and then we change this division to a multiplication of the inverse. So we multiply them, and we get that the total amount is 18 servings total. Follow from our math tips.